Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Today I'm going to explain you how to introduce ourselves when we are applying as Oracle Cloud Supply Chain Management Fusion Functional Consultant. When we say Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Functional Consultant, obviously we should be clear with the minimum 4 to 5 modules. What are those modules? One is inventory module. Another one is procurement module. When I say procurement, it should include purchasing and then supplier portal, then supplier qualification, management, sourcing, and then self-service procurement, then purchasing contracts. This all module comes under procurement, then order management, of course, costing, and receipt accounting. Okay. So there will be something called product management hub, means manage the item information. It comes in inventory, but anyway, this is okay. Now we are going to apply, let's say you have total 10 years of experience. Out of 10 years, 6 years is in manufacturing sector or in some procurement sector. And then last 4 years into Oracle Cloud Supply Chain Management. And you did 2 implementations and 2 support projects like this. So what when we are projecting the profile like this, so if they ask us, can you tell me about yourself? So we have to say that, hi, myself, this is Mohan. I have completed my graduation in 2014. After completion of my graduation, I started working as a procurement manager. I worked with multiple clients around 6 years. In that 6 years, I was taking care of my mainly procurement operations, interacting with the suppliers, buyers, and performing some procurement operations in purchasing department. After that, I started learning Oracle Cloud and entered into the Cloud ERP, supply chain management. So earlier, my experience, whatever domain knowledge was there, it was helpful to learn ERP very fast. And I started career as an Oracle Cloud supply chain management. Last 4 years, I'm working for Oracle Cloud ERP, and currently I'm working for MNC company. Last 4 years, I've done 4 projects, 2 implementations and 2 supports: inventory, procurement, order management, costing, and receipt accounting. Work with supplier portal, supplier qualification. I was taking care of end-to-end implementation of inventory and procurement module. And I'm flexible to work as a team member and interacting with the clients and gather the requirement, prepare documentation, configuring the setups and testing the application, and finally deliver this application to the client, and also train the end users and migrating the setups information from one instance to another instance. And I'm flexible with implementation of inventory, procurement, order management. Procurement, I worked with purchasing, supplier portal, supplier qualification, sourcing, self-service, with approval management, workflow, task configurations. And technically also I have some idea how we can build BA reports and OTBA, how to configure personalizations, and how we can do the data migrations by using a BDA from legacy systems. I'm flexible with that also, like lookups, value sets, and flex fields. I'm comfortable to work with the cloud ERP in the implementation of all these 3 modules, either from setups point of view or configuration or implementation testing, as well as delivering to the client, interacting with business users as well as the end users. I'm flexible. So that's about myself. This is Mohan having this experience. So like this, you have to go for introduce. So in the introduction, when you are going to give, you are giving your highest qualification, whatever you have done and which year you are done. After that, what you did. And you are not going to explain too much about the previous non-IT experience, because which is not required for the current recruiter. And the current recruiter is mainly filtered your profile because of this experience, right? So this 4 years, first, how many projects? Out of that, how many implementation, out how many supports? What modules you are done? Module-wise, what was your responsibility? And what are the areas you are flexible? And what are the areas you know also? For example, you know technically how to do the objects, but you are not involved in the project technical because that was a technical developer job. But you must explain what you know, what you are experienced, so that they will be clear exactly your qualification, your previous domain experience, and current cloud ERP supply chain experience, and what modules, and experience in the setups environment, as well as the knowledge in technical side or other things. So when we are explaining, better to expose, like I was very strong in the supplier data, configuration of supplier approvals, purchase order approval, requisition approval, securities, working with securities, data access, data migrations from legacies. Like this, we have to go for introduction. Okay. So if someone is not able to clear the interviews, or if you are looking out for the placements or assignments and point of view, communicate with our admin, so that we'll be helping you regarding that. This is going to be our number. Thank you.